everyone, welcome to Mrigya's Food Story. Today I'll be sharing my first recipe on the channel. Before I do that, let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Mrigya. I am a hotel management graduate. I also own restaurant. I'll be sharing the recipes which are easy to cook at home in restaurant style. I'll be sharing the recipes related to bakery, Indian, Chinese, Italian and a lot more. I'm sure you must be getting excited. So before we do that, let's get going with our first recipe, which is chocolate sponge cake.